Sheraton Hotel. Okay, for a while na, nagkataon lang na yung guest ko is businessman, kaya yung room na kinuha is meron siyang ganito. So aside from the bed, meron siya ditong parang working table. Because Sacho is an architect. So gusto rin niya na nagta-travel siya with his business naman na Rachel and
Hello,
Maxine, mga artista. Ayan, tinutur ko lang sila. Ayan, then meron siyang bathtub. Okay, that is bathtub. Okay. Yun. Okay.